Video, I will show you how to change voice in Suno AI. Step number one, guys, open up your Play Store, come to search bar, search for Suno AI. Once you search for it, go ahead and install it, then open it. Once you open it, make sure that you log in using your Gmail application, preferably. Then you'll see your profile section like this. You can come and edit it if you want. So coming back to the main point, to change your voice, come to this music like icon here. And guys, to change your voice, you need to first customize a song. So quickly, guys, let's say I have a love song I want to customize. Quickly, I just put in the title here, love song. If you want, you can use their instrumental. Choose the version of the instrumental here. These versions are pro versions, which means you need to pay for them. As you can see, the version 4 has improved vocality, and then version 3, which is the free, has better sound structure. So we are going to use that. So guys, here you have to choose the voice you want to use. You want to use a male vocal, female vocal, or a guitar. I'll choose a female vocal. Okay, and then you have to choose a guitar. Okay, so for this case, I'll choose electronics. Then I'll choose which kind of music, dramatic, beat, or synthetic. I'll choose rap. When you're done, you can come and create over here, and then after that, you go ahead and record yourself singing on Suno. Once you record yourself, it will be converted, your voice will be converted according to these descriptions over here and the selections you've selected over here, and also the instrumental that you've selected. So guys, those are the keynotes to take note of. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.